So today we are going to talk about how we are going to get our daily combo. Our daily combo. The first one is market. So we go to market. We look for prediction market. Prediction market. You go ahead. That's your first card. So the second card, legal tab. Under legal tab, you go for license Europe. The license Europe is the second card you can see. So the last one is in special. The special. So in special, we go for special top 10 global ranking. Top 10 global ranking. So that's how you get to then take your price. That's the daily card for today. Daily 3 card for today. Thank you.